Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I am Girija Prasad Sahu. Good afternoon, Rashmika. Good afternoon. Rashmika from Mantali branch. Okay. I am Olive from Anger House Begumpet branch. Okay, Olive. Okay, shall we start the class? Only we have two participants only, but no problem. They will say how to say the class. Yesterday we have completed. Good afternoon, Kirtan. Sara Kona. Sara. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Hi, Venkat Sai. Hi, Sara. Hi, Venkat Sai. Pawan. Hi. Hi, sir. I'm Navya. Navya, hi. Exercise 5.1, third bit. Exercise 5.1, we already completed the last 2 days back. Okay. Hi, sir. How are you? I'm fine. I'll tell you again. Explain to you again. No problem. 5.1, third bit. My name is Mukesh from DTS branch. Okay. 5.1 article, measure all the line segments in the figure given below and arrange them in ascending order. Okay, you have to measure the line segments in the given figure. In the given figure, the line segments are just a minute. I will tell you. Okay. Exercise 5.1 article just for her. Okay, listen everyone. Different line segment we are given. This is AB, BC, CD, DE. These are all the different line segments here. AB is a one line segment because there are two endpoints A and B. BC is line, CD is line, DE is the line segments. Now we have to measure all these line segments. Downside he has given AB, BC, AB, AC, AD, AE. Downside he has given some line segments AB. We have to measure AB's length by using the roller. Okay. Next, AC. AC means from here to here. By using the rule, you have to measure the length from here to here. Downside, you have to length all these line segments length up to DA. Next, after you will get some measurements. After getting the measurements, you have to write them in ascending order. So according to their length, you have to write them in according order. For example, if it is 2 centimeters, if it is 5 centimeters, if it is 3 centimeters, then you have to write them in ascending order. First AB, smaller than AC, smaller than DE. Exercise 5.1 third bit. This is just for her. Just for the participant, she asked me. Okay, like this you have to complete the problem. Do you understand? I think you understood already. Okay, today we are gonna discuss about. We already completed try this page number 64. Everyone, you have to open page number 67. Page number 67 open. Okay, okay. Page number 67. See, read the table here. In this page number 61, he has given one table. If you look at here, before try this, if you look at here he has given one table. Just look at the table. And different types of angles are there. We already discussed. Zero angle means 0 degrees. Right angle means 90 degrees. Straight angle means 180 degrees. T for 6th class, for 5th. What is the time? Sorry, I am not understanding that. Complete angle 360 degrees. Acute between 0 and 90. Between 0 and 90. Between 0 and 90. For example, 0 to 90. 1 degree to 89 degree. All these are acute angles. Please tell reflex angle. Reflex angle is simple. After 270 degrees, anything will be called as reflex angle. Okay. After 270 to 360 degrees. Okay. I'm sorry. 180. After 180 to 360 degrees, anything will be considered as a reflex angle. Okay. 180 is a straight angle. After 180 means 181 to 359. 181 to 359. Anything will be considered as a reflex angle. 360 degrees means complete angle. 360 degrees means complete angle. The angle will be completed when we got 360. Hi sir, hi Akshay, hi. Reflex angle, did you understand? Between 180 and 360. For example, 181, this is a reflect angle. 182. 171, this is not a reflect angle because the angle should lie between 180 to 360. 359 also reflect angle. Know the reflex angle, what is that? Okay, I know that. Okay, I know. Okay. Next, to try this. First one, which angle is greater? Discuss with your friend which angle is greater. Therefore, by measuring the angles, is your estimation is correct? Give reasons. Which angle is greater? Here, this you have to measure by using the protractor and discuss with your friends. If you don't have with your friends right now, discuss with yourself only. Okay? That's it. By using the protractor, just measure it. You know the protractor already. It will have 180 degrees on it. The protractor has 180 degrees marked on it from 0 to 180 degrees. From 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Okay? You have to measure. Here is the vertex. If you have any angle like this, you have to keep the vertex here. From here, you have to start the measurement. You have to start the measuring from here. Here, 90 degrees. Okay? You know already by using the protractor we can easily measure. Okay? For example, if you have the angle like this here, next again here we have 0 to 180 degree. From both sides, from here to here, from here to here. Okay, you have to start from here, 0 degrees. Next, if you come here, it will show maybe 55 degrees or 60 degrees. That's it, simple. No, you no need to write, just listen. You no need to write, just listen. On protractor, there total 180 degrees will be marked. On protractor, the total 180 degrees marked. Each and every line, each and every these small lines indicates 1 degree. Total 180 degrees, 100 small lines will be there. Okay, that's it. This is enough. Okay, it's not. Okay, try this second bit. Page number 67 open, everybody. Page number 67 open. I'm gonna hide the chart. Okay, I'm gonna hide the chart. Please just listen here. Everybody open. Bindu Reddy, please open page number 67. Try this second one. I'll ask the questions. Otherwise, I will hide the chart. Your wish. Just for purpose. Okay. Which are acute angles? Find and write their measures. Which are acute angles? Here. Here we will have different types of angles. Which are acute angles? Which are acute angles? If you have the protractor, just take the protractor and measure them. If it is below 90 degrees, that is a acute angle. If it is above 90 degrees, that is obtuse angle. If it is exact 90 degrees, that will be called as right angle. That is okay. So talking about free fire, please don't talk about free fire right now. We have to talk about angles, types of angles. We'll talk about free fire after some time, okay? But now we have to talk about different types of angles. Here we have different types of angles as given in the textbook. Here you have different types of angles, okay? Just look at the angles and write them as which are acute angles, which are obtuse angles, just by measuring them, okay? How will you measure? By using a protractor, okay? The first one will be acute angle because it is less than 90 degrees. Second also acute. First acute, second acute. Third one obtuse because it is more than 190 degrees. Fourth one exactly 90 degrees. Fifth one you have to write. Okay, just by measuring. Sir, move. Which way I have to move? This you no need to write this. Next to try this third bit. Okay. Now I will draw one figure there. You have to say whether it is an acute angle or obtuse angle. You have to say. I will draw one figure there. I will draw an angle there on the board. You only talking now, Nora? Okay, I'm gonna hide. Last chance. Which are obtuse angles? The first one, whether it is obtuse angle or acute angle. Whether it is fourth one is right angle. Okay, fourth one is right angle, correct, because one vertical line, one horizontal line. Hasni, Raikal branch. Varshita Satrika. The Satrika, okay, Jogpet branch. Sorry, sir, who is sorry? First tell me the answer, not sorry. Whether it is obtuse or acute. Is it more than 90 degrees or less than 90 degrees? Okay, if you measure it by using the protractor, see up to here it is right angle. Up to here it is right angle. But if you look at these angles, it is more than right angle. It is up to here. The right angle is ended here only. But it is up to here. So it is what? Obtuse angle. The first one is obtuse angle. If you measure it obtuse angle, it is more than 90 degrees. If you measure it by using your protractor, I think it will come 100 to 110. In this region it will come 100 to 110. So you have to maintain the protractor with you while you are listening this angles class, okay? This is obtuse angle. The first one is obtuse angles. Only 5 minutes, okay? After 5 minutes. You can start about free fire after 5 minutes, okay? Next one. This one. Which angle it is? If you see this symbol like this, if you see this rectangle symbol, just directly put it as a right angle. Okay, directly put it as a right angle, 90 degrees. If you see this symbol like this, rectangle symbol. Okay. Next, this one. Which angle is your angle? What not clear? Okay, you can draw this angle like this also. Then it will come like this. You can draw this angle like this also. Just rotate it. So here you have to keep the protractor at this point. The midpoint of the protractor it has a midpoint. The midpoint you have to keep here, and you have to measure from here. You will get 130 or 140 or 141. This is obtuse angle. See here I don't have any protractor, that's why I am telling you like this. No problem. Just keep the protractor at here exactly. The midpoint of the protractor you have to keep it here on the origin, and you have to measure from this side. From 0 to you have to measure. You will get this obtuse angle. Next, last one is reflex angle. If you get this kind of symbol inside, not if outside, if you get this kind of symbol, which kind of angle that is? Reflex angle. Which kind of angle that is? So that much of protractor is not there. You are not measuring on the blackboard, you are measuring on your textbook. So no problem. In your textbook, on the diagram, you have to keep the protractor. You don't need a big protractor, you need a small protractor is enough. Time is over for who? Sarah, listen. Yes sir, I am not there. Okay. Because you are not here, you have a textbook. On the textbook, you have different types of diagrams. If you go to the book depot, they will give you one protractor. By using that protractor, you have to measure all these angles. You can measure. You are a good boy. You will measure. If you get this kind of symbol from outside, that will be reflex angle more than 180. Okay. Is that clear? Sarah, is that clear? Yes. Everyone. Next, fourth one, try this. Okay. Afnan, Ahmed, SR, Ali, Ajit, Nani. Next, draw any two acute and two obtuse angles of your choice. Fourth one, try this of your choice. Page number 68 before exercise 5.2. Draw any two acute and two obtuse angles. Your wish of your choice. You have to draw two acute angles, two obtuse angles. Okay? Is that clear? You have to draw two acute angles, two obtuse angles. Acute angles means you already know between 0 to 90. Between 0 to 90, you can take any measurement you wish. You should not take 0, you should not take 90. Between 0 to 90, from 1 to 89. You can take any one, 1 degree, 2 degree, 13 degree, 45 degree, 89 degree. These are all acute angles only. Obtuse angles means 90 to 180. Means not to take from 91. 90 you should not take, 180 you should not take. 91, 92, 179 also you can take. These are all obtuse angles. I didn't understand what are you telling. Can I repeat it again? What I am saying that you have to draw two angles of your choice. You have to draw two acute angles, two obtuse angles. Okay? Two acute angles of your choice. Acute angles you already know. They lies between 0 to 90. You can take 1 degree, you can take 10 degree, you can take 45 degrees, no problem. Of your choice, you have to draw two angles. Next, KV Srinivas. What is that? Sorry, I don't know your name. Here I am seeing KV Srinivas only. Obtuse angles also means, you know, obtuse angles. 90 to 180. You can take any angle. 91 degree. This is an obtuse angle. 170 degrees. This is also an obtuse angle. 100 degrees also obtuse angle. Okay? Clear, sir? Okay. Next, fifth question, try this before exercise 5.2. Classify the following angles into acute, right, obtuse and straight angles. Uh, Now here I'll write the angles. You have to say whether it is acute, obtuse, or reflex, or obtuse straight. Right. Now see first one, fifth exercise 5.8. First one. Okay, time is over. No problem. This last one. This is the last one. Okay. Zara. 40 degrees, say which angle it is? Acute, obtuse, right? Which angle? 40 degrees. Acute or obtuse or 40 degrees. Which angle? Which type of angle is that? 40 degrees. Degrees, which angle? Tell me. Navya, 40 degrees, which angle it is? Acute, obtuse, right, reflex, straight. Sir, you can tell sir, no problem. You have to say, I am asking you. Acute, yes. One person say, what is that? Ayesha Tabassum. Narasimha Reddy also given correct answer. Acute angles. Okay. Here you have to write acute angle on your CW. Acute angle. Raji Prabha. Okay. Sarah-Kona obtuse. That is not obtuse. Sarah-Kona, that is acute angle because it is less than 90 degrees. Like this, the remaining problems you have to write the remaining answer. He has given different types of angles. For that you have to write the answer. That will be your homework. Fifth one will be your homework. Tomorrow we'll start exercise 5.2. Till then, bye bye. That will be your homework. Fifth one, try this before exercise 5.2. Bye.